Hello! Today's tune is a classical song. It's called Ode to Joy and it's from Beethoven's Sixth Symphony. You might not recognise the title, but you'll definitely know the tune because it's really popular and it only uses a few notes, so it's nice and simple to play. So we're going to get in the right position by putting your thumb onto the middle C and making sure you've got a finger for each of the white notes. The tune starts with an E on your middle finger. We're going to play two E's and then we're going to walk up to the G and we're going to play two G's at the top, walk back down, two C's at the bottom and walk back up to E, and that's the first little bit. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to do two E's, walk up, two G's, two C's, walk up, and that's the first little bit. Okay, I'll do that one more time. So starting with two E's, I'm walking up, another G, another C, and that's where we stopped. And we're going to do another E, and then two Ds. Okay, that's the first phrase. If I play that all the way through one more time. And the second phrase is virtually the same again, just the ending changes. So again, we start with two E's and walk up. Just one E this time, and then a D and two C's. So that second phrase, I'll play that one more time. So starting with the E and walking up. D, two C's. And that's it. So if you wanted to add a left hand to it as well, you could do that by adding C on your little finger down here and G. That's the only two notes we're going to play. So it would be C, 2, 3, 4. C again, 2, 3, 4, and again, 2, 3, 4, and then G, 2, 3, 4, back to C, 2, 3, 4, and again, 2, 3, 4, and again, 2, 3, and then a quick G, and back to C. Okay, so if I fit that all together, with the right hand here on middle C and the left hand on the lower C down here, all together it would sound like this. And that's it. You can play just the right hand if you want, or you can have the left hand in if you're feeling daring, and see how you get on. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, you can hit the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel to see more videos by pressing the link that's on the screen now. Have fun!